There is a mistake that a lot of people make when trying to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we need to take note of the order of operation, which is very important. Following the order of operation, we are to multiply first before we add. Don't be tempted to add n plus n. That will be a mathematical error. So n times n gives us n squared, then plus n divided by n equals 10. When we cross multiply, we have this over 1. We're going to have n squared plus n equals 10n. And then also when we rearrange, we'll be left with n squared equals 10n minus n. And then n squared will be equal 9n. Then also, when we bring 9n to the other side of the equation, we have n squared minus 9n equals 0. Then we proceed to factorize this expression. And then we have n into brackets n minus 9 equals 0. And that will leave us with n equals 0 or n equals 9 as our solution set. But then there is a mistake that a lot of people will make. If we check back at the equation given to us and we try to substitute n equals 0, you find out that we are going to have an extraneous equation, because then we have 0 divided by 0, which is not mathematically valid. Due to the domain of our equation, it means that n equals 0 is not a valid solution, guys. The only valid solution is n equals 9. I hope you avoid making this error that a lot of people makes. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a good day.